guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha. So guys, it's 15 August today and it's a holiday, and I thought I will not work today because I just needed a break from my shoot and going to the gym and basically my daily routine. So today I'm going to do all those things that I really wanted to do since a long time, and I couldn't do it because of work, deadlines and all other things. So first on my list is to set up my closet because my wardrobe is a mess right now, and I really wanted to arrange all my clothes and everything. And for that, I have got this organizer from Meesho, and it's a very nice organizer. So I already had two of them, but then I thought I should buy more of these so I could just set up my closet and it should look nice and aesthetic. Okay, so this is my task number one. Secondly, I need to read a book that I was like reading, but I then left on few pages, so I just need to complete that book. Okay, and thirdly, I just wanted to go on a solo date today. Like the weather outside is so nice. It was just raining an hour ago, and now the weather is really so good, and I am thinking of just going on a solo date, just having something outside, and then I might just buy myself some desserts or something. So just wanted to spend a day alone doing all the things that I really want to do for this day. Also guys, my voice is little bit changed because I am having very bad cold and cough. So just my voice is crackling somehow, and I'm not liking my voice right now. Anyways, I can't help it. I'm having my medications, but still it's not working right now. Like, it's been 2-3 days. Also at night, if I feel like, I'm gonna just do some skincare, and right now I think I should be making myself some breakfast. And I am just loving my breakfast lately because I have tried some new recipe, and I am going to show you guys that also. Also guys, last week I went to Bombay, and I went to IKEA over there, and I have a very cute story to tell you all. And also I have a mini haul for IKEA, and from there one thing that I've got were the frames. So I just printed out few pictures. I need to cut them out, and I have to place my frame also. So like, there are a lot of things that we will be doing today. So before we start with our day, let's just make some healthy breakfast. I am so full right now, and now I'm going to talk about my Bombay story. So what happened, like, I had some work at Bombay, so I took a flight in the morning. My work was like done in around like 3 to 4 hours, and my returning flight was bit late in the night. So I thought, why not just use this time to explore Bombay? And the first place that I went there was Siddhivinayak Ji, because I really wanted to go there. So I had those beautiful darshan over there, and from there IKEA was very close. So I thought, okay, finally I'm just gonna go to IKEA because I really wanted to explore IKEA. Like, I was just seeing all these content creators from Bombay, and they were having such cute aesthetic, home decors and other things, and I really wanted to buy few pieces. But then I realized, like, I have to go alone all by myself, and I could only pick few pieces because I cannot take a lot of things and carry it with myself. And I didn't even have a carry bag with me. I just had my bag, the purse, and that's all I had. So I went there, and I have got few pieces that I wanted to show you. So the first thing that I've got are these organizers. They look really so cute, and I just thought that they would literally help me to organize all my makeup and everything. So I've got these two makeup organizers, and these are like pack of three. I haven't even opened up yet because I wanted to show you all in this video. So I thought I'll just unbox it right in front of you all. So I'm just gonna open this, and I'm gonna show you how cute they look. And they also have a flap as well, so you can just close the lids also. So firstly, look at the color, you guys. It is so cute, man. And this is the lid, and this is how it looks. So I just thought I will keep all my makeup or skincare things in this. So these were the first things that I have got. Then I have got this very cute frame. Oh my god, I just love this. And this was the last piece that was lying over there, and I just grabbed it. So, like, I can put it like this also and like this also. And I'm planning to put this frame in that room. And I have also got few pictures for the same. Let me just show you. Like, I have just printed out few pictures of myself and some good quotes, and we're gonna place it in this frame today itself. And then I've got these cute little balls. Okay, these were from the kids section, but I really loved it, so I just got them. Look at the pastel colors, you guys. This is a set of 6 balls, and they were looking so cute. And with these, I've got these pastel color plates as well. These were again from kids section, but I couldn't help it, so I just bought it. These are the cute little plates that I have got, and I actually got them because of these pastel colors that I really love. They were looking so aesthetic. Lastly, I've got this very cute backpack, and probably I'm gonna give this to my younger brother. But still, I just love the color and everything. It has like 2 pockets, one in the front and one over there. So this was the last thing that I've got. Okay, so after IKEA, I went to Marine Drive, and there I just ordered something, and I just had my dinner at Marine Drive. Okay, and then my flight got delayed. Like, it was for 11:30 something, but it was like 2 hours late. So I almost like landed up in Delhi at my home around 5 in the morning, I guess. And the next day, I was just thinking of doing this haul, but I wasn't well at all. Like, I got this cold and all those things. So I just thought I should do it like later on someday. Anyways, guys, so this was my Bombay story, and this was my IKEA haul. Now we are going to just organize my wardrobe because it's actually a mess right now, and we need to do it today itself. Just look at the condition, you guys. It's just a mess. Anyways, we're gonna fix it right now. These are all the clothes from one single section, and I still have 2 more sections that I haven't even touched yet. So firstly, I'm just gonna fix these ones, and then I'm gonna go to the other sections. Guys, my almirah is set and it's looking so much better now. So now I'm gonna just cut out few pictures that I had printed out, and I'm gonna set my frame that I've got from IKEA. Also, I have 2 3 small frames, and for which I have like cut out the pictures, and I'm gonna set up that as well. Okay, so it's all very much messed up, but anyways, we have got the pictures. These are the 4 pictures that I'm gonna put in the frame. Okay, and then I have these very cute small polaroids that I was talking about in my like recent vlog, and these are the 2 pictures for some other frames. So firstly, we are going to put these ones, and let me just clear this space so we can just easily do our thing. We need to open this up, and then we need to remove the film that's placed over this glass. So let me just remove that. And this is how how it looks, and we're gonna place it in that room. So let's go and place it up. I'm just planning to put this right here so that whenever I make any mirror, video or some selfies, so I can have a very nice backdrop. And to place this, I have my favorite hooks. So let's just place it up. Guys, this is how it looks. It looks so cute, guys. And I will just keep on changing the pictures every other 2 to 3 months, and this is how it looks. So guys, two of our tasks are done, and now I am going to get ready because we are going on a solo date, as I told you. So I'm just gonna dress up really cute, gonna give you a fit check, and then we're gonna go out to a very cute cafe. I'm gonna grab my book, read it because I didn't get any time to complete that book. And also guys, I'll be very honest with you all, I have no clue about the cafes or the good places around my area, because like it's in few months that I've shifted, but still I haven't got that time to explore the place and to look out some cute cafes or some other places that I just want to go and hang out. So today I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna search for a very cute cafe and just romanticize my evening, spend my evening reading a book, buying some desserts and all those things. Okay, so let's get quickly ready. Guys, I'm back home and I had a great time. Like, this was the very first time I went for a solo date, and I am feeling so much refreshed. And I'm just having that thought like I should be doing this more often. So basically, I'm not a coffee person, so I didn't offer any coffee or something. I just ordered a waffle. It was choco brownie waffle. I had it. It was so amazing. Then I was craving for some pastries like since morning, so I got myself a choco truffle pastry as well. And it was like raining so heavily. Like I just rushed back to home because I didn't want to get drenched in my cute little outfit. Now I'm like actually very much tired, so I have just ordered myself some dinner, and I'm not gonna do any kind of skincare today because I don't feel like doing it. So I'll just watch some movie or something and have my dinner and just take some rest, because कल से फिर से वही routine start होने वाला है. So I will just take some rest. And yeah guys, that was it for my today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and like this video. We'll meet again in the next vlog. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.